Hello dear. Before we boot to operate this lock, it's better to put 8 pieces alkaline batteries in here. Here I put just 4. It's better for you to put 8 pieces. Okay, then we boot from the power. Okay. Here, press this one. Here, the defaulted administration password is 123456, and here I already settled it's different. Okay, if your screen showing is Chinese, okay, back to this press and the first one and the first one to change to the English version, okay? And you can adjust the voice, okay? 8 is the largest, the big voice, okay? 6, okay, I come back to 8. Okay, you see? The screen is 8. Okay. And the user to add different users, okay? You can see here we already add so many users. You can here already 4 users. You can add the next one 5 LAN. You can set your LAN, and here you can set as the user or as the administrator. You see? Okay, I set as the user, and then you can set built in your palm. Okay, like this. Okay, face. Oh, because I already settled my face, so here is doubled. Okay, and others like a finger.
Please type in your fingerprint.
Done. Okay. Password.
Please input new password.
Okay.
Please input new.
Okay. And the card is the IC card. You can just set. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Okay, let me try. Okay. See? Okay, then open the door. Okay. Okay. Okay.